Good afternoon. Can you hear me? Okay. Now I'll share my screen. Okay. Okay. Just we will wait uh, for 1 or 2 minutes and then we will start.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll start with this uh, some numericals. Yesterday we have done some three equation of the motion. That equations are very important. Uh, because every time this equation will come. Okay. So can you tell me what are the equations? Yesterday we have learned one is v equal to u plus at, right? And what is the second equation? That is the displacement as equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Third equation, v square equal to u square plus 2as. As is distance, is acceleration, u is the initial velocity, and v is the final velocity. So, and t is the time. Based on this, we solve some of the numericals today, and then we will go to the graph. Okay. Okay. So now, a, scoot, a scooter acquires a velocity of 36 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds just after the start. Just after the start. So means u is 0 meter per second and v is 36 kilometer per hour. Can you convert it into the meter per seconds? So use 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is 60 minutes into 60, 3600. How much it comes? Student, give the answer. Can you calculate in 30 velocity 36? No, 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 no. 10 meter per second. Good. 10 meter. Ananya, how is the 5 by 18? See, 36 into 1000 convert into the meter, and in hours 60 into 60. Okay, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, this cancel, 6 6, and this 6 cancel, so 10 meter per second. Okay, yeah, so 10 meter per second, and time is t is 10 seconds. Okay, uh, okay. Now which formula we can use, because we have to calculate the acceleration to be calculated, right? To be calculated, acceleration to be calculated. Which formula we can use? We have the equation is given, u is given, v is given, t is given. So we can use v equal to u plus at, right? U is given, u is 0. Acceleration we have find out into 10, and v is also given 10, right? So 10a, 10a is 10 by 10, cancel 1 meter per second square. Any doubt on this question? No. Okay. No. It's very clear? Okay. So hope no doubt on these questions. Then we'll go with the next questions. Okay. A moving train is brought to rest within 20 seconds by applying brakes. Find the initial velocity if the retardation due to the brake is 2 meter per second square. Here, what is the given? U to be calculated. Okay. V is 0. Why is 0? Because the train stop. Train stop. Okay. Acceleration, it is given as 2 meters per second square. So it's not acceleration, it's a retardation. If it is a retardation, so how to add in the retardation? Give the minus sign. So 2 meter per second square. Okay. Time is given 20 seconds. And which formula we can use? The same formula we can use. V equal to U plus AT. V is 0, U we have to find out, plus AT is minus 2, and time is 20. So U minus 40. Sorry, this is U. Okay. And we can say U is 40 meter per second. Yes, Savita, you found out this U is 40 meter per second. Emil, Abhishek, Pradeep, any doubt on this question? U initial velocity to be calculated, V is 0 because train stop, and acceleration because here is a retardation, so that's why it's a minus. Good. Mm, okay, so next question. We are using the same formula and you give the answer. A body start to slide over a horizontal surface with the initial velocity of, so this is a, suppose it's a slide. Okay. Any, so initial velocity is given as 0.5 meter per second. Due to the friction, its velocity decreases at the rate of 0.05 meter per second. So acceleration, that is a retardation, so minus 0.05 meter per second square. How much time will it take to body to stop? So that means final velocity is 0 meter per second. Okay, and we what we have to calculate, to be calculated is time. Okay, to be calculated. Okay, calculate the time. Use the same formula. V is 0, U is 0.5, A is minus 0.05, T we have to calculate 0.5 here, minus 0.05 T, this minus minus cancel, 0.5 minus 0.05, and this is a T. Give me the answer. No, 0.05. How is 0.01? That's why I just stop and I want answer from everyone. Pradeep, Savita, Ranjani, give your answers. Then I can explain why this 0.01 is wrong. You learn in 7th class, this 6th and 7th class, how to calculate this one. No one will teach you in the 9th standard this T. Just again, give me the answer. 10 ml. Okay. Any other? 10. Gita, 10. Great. Aman, 10. Mukund, 10. Yeah. So 10 seconds. Okay. How it comes? Let's see. zero point 0.5. If we remove 0.5 to 5, what you will do? 5 by 10. And if you remove 0.05 to decimal points by 100, this will go up. So is 5 into 100 and 10 into 5. 5, 5 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, and 10 seconds. Any doubt on this? No, good. So we'll take one more numerical. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after the start? So here the question, in the question, they ask for the distance. So distance, there is only two formula we have, second and third. Okay. So first is acceleration is 4 meter per second square. Okay. Time is given as 10 seconds, right? Erasing as uniform, what distance will covered? Second after the start. After the start means u is 0 meter per second. And we have a two formula, and in this we use second formula because acceleration is given, u is given, a- s is given, and time is given. S to be calculated. So S to be calculated. Okay. So ut into 10 plus half to 4 into 10. So 2 cancel, 2 cancel, and this is a square. So 2 into 100, 200 meter S. Any doubt? So this is the second equation. Remember all these three equations, then you can calculate. Okay. Have you noted these questions? Can we go with the next question? Okay. A scooter moving at a speed of 10 meter per second is stopped by applying brakes, which produce a uniform acceleration of minus 0.05 minus minus 0.5 meter per second. How much distance will be covered by the scooter before it stops? Okay. So here initial velocity is u equal to 10 meter per second. Final velocity stop is 0. Retardation minus 0.5 meter per second square. Okay. And then calculate the distance to be calculated. Here time is not given. So which equation we can use? Right. First, second, third, which equation to be used to solve this question? Third. Good. Good. So v square equal to 2u plus 2as. It is very simple. Then put the value. U is 0, 10 square, 2, acceleration is minus 0.5, and s is a, sorry, this is equal to 100 plus 2 into zero point 0.1 is a minus s. So s we can take other side. So s is 100 meter. Okay. Any doubt on this? Can we go to the next question? Into 0.05, no? How much? 1. 2 into 0.05 minus sign come here. So if you multiply by 2, how you can 2.5? You can write like this. It's 1. So minus 1. Okay. So 100 minus s. This you can see this way. Okay. Any doubt on this? Please ask your doubt. If you have any doubt, ask your doubt because I need 100% marks in your exams. Okay. Okay. Then we will go with the next question. A car traveling at 20 km per hour speed up to 60 km per hour in 6 seconds. What is the acceleration? So first, what is this? Mukund, I could not understand what you wrote. Okay. Okay. Next question. So first, U is 20 km and V is 60 km per hour. Convert into the meter per seconds. 20 into 1000 into 60. You cancel 10, cancel 10, cancel. Yeah, give me the answer. How is 8.3?
6.66.
Yeah, 5.55. 5.55 meter per second. Okay, and second is who wrote this 16.6? 16.6 meter per second. Okay, any doubt on this? And T is 6 second. Acceleration to be calculated. To be calculated. So which formula we can use? U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. Okay. We know that 16.6 and 5.55 A calculated A into 6. So 16.6 minus 5.55 equal to 6A. And A is 11.11 divided by 6, and it comes, how much it comes? Unit is meter per second. Give me the answer. Friends, calculate and give me the answer. Yes. Pradeep, good. Savita, good. Yeah, good. So 1.85 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay, then we will go with the next question. A bus increases its speed from here 20 kilometer. So 20 kilometer per hour to 50 kilometer per hour in 10 seconds. Find out its acceleration. We have already calculated in the previous question, is a typical questions. Now you have to calculate. U is 20 meter per second. That is, we calculated in the previous is 5.5 meter per second. Okay, and V is 50 meter, 50, sorry, this kilometer per hour. 50 kilometer per hour, and how much it comes? 50 into 1000 by 3600. 0 to 0 cancel, and it comes, how much comes in meter per second? 13.8. Good. Meter per second. Time is given 10 seconds. So you can use the same formula, U plus 80, put the value and calculate the acceleration. So we have given the four option: 30 meter per second, 3 meter per second, 18 meter per second square, and 0.83 meter per second square. Which is the correct answer? Calculate based on the previous. We calculate before. Who can give the answer first? What is D? 3. No. 3. No. 0.83 meter per second square. Okay, this is a meter per second square. You are talking about the accelerations. It's not a speed or velocity. Okay, so meter per second square. Okay, good. Because some of the students said 3, I'll calculate based on that. V is 13.8 and U is 5.5 plus A we have to calculate it, and T is 10. So we can go 13.8 minus 5.5 equal to 10A. And this is given as 8.3 by 10 equal to A. And this is 0.083 meter per second square. Okay. Any doubt? Geeta, Saros is okay. D is correct. MNK, right? Full name, some initial name, so I can understand. Okay. So no doubt, huh? Okay. Now I'll give you the graphical representation. Okay. In the graphical representation, you can understand if suppose this graph time velocity, if it is a uniform means same interval and same velocity. Sorry, first we will take with the distance. Okay, so distance time graph. So like a, we can say that distance is s and t. If 1 seconds, okay, 1 meter, then 2 meter, 2 seconds, 3 meter, 3 seconds, 4 meter, 4. Or we can say here 3 meter, 1 second, then 6 meter in 2 seconds, and 9 meter, 3 seconds, and 12 meter in 4 seconds. So the graph is like this, and this is called uniform speed. Okay, but if the graph is like this, so this is distance, time is non-uniform. Good. Anyway, already we are uh, study before that also this. Okay, so just I revise this one. If we can go with the speed time graph, okay, if it is a time and speed, this is meaning every time there is a same speed, so this is called constant speed. Okay, when the speed is with the uniform rate, this is speed, this is a time, then again its graph is like this. Okay, and this is called uniform acceleration, right? Speed increases with the time, and the value of acceleration from speed time graph of a moving body that we will study in later. So you understand, if it is a this type of graph, can you tell me this is a speed, this is time, what is called this graph? Uniform, what is retardation? Because it is retarded is a negative acceleration, and negative acceleration is retardation, right? Good. Now speed graph when the initial speed of the body is not zero. Now if we say that means this initial velocity is initial speed is zero, but in some cases this this is the speed. So this is called uniform acceleration, and this is speed and time, and but here u is not zero. Okay, clear? And same we can say that, okay, so here u is some speed, whatever the speed, but it is not zero. Any doubt on this? No doubt. Okay. Speed time graph of body given here the answer the following questions. If suppose what happened? Okay. Okay, maybe in next class we will put some problem in this. We can go with this. Now we can derive the equation by the graphical method. Okay, v equal to u plus at. How we can derive? Now we understand the graph. Suppose this is a graph and there is uniform acceleration, and this is a OA, E, A, OAB, and C and D. And this is called U, initial velocity. So here is U is not zero, right? We have to calculate, derive this formula. Yeah, full form of U is initial velocity. Okay. So here is U is OA and V is BC. and BC we can say BD plus DC. BD plus DC, right? Or DC equal to OA. So V equal to BD plus OA. OA plus BD, and that is OA is U plus BD. And BD is the acceleration. This is slope. This is slope. So this slope is BD divided by AD. So acceleration is BD divided by AD. So BD is A into AD, right? And D is T. Okay. So now you can AD is T. So BD equal to AT. So you can put U plus AT, and this is V. V is the final, right? BC. Okay. This is a graph. Here we can take is a velocity and T is a time. And there is a U is not zero. Okay. Now they start with the O, A, B, D, C, and here we can take E. So U is OA, we know that this is the initial velocity, and AD is T, right? So final velocity is, this is the final velocity, and final velocity is V equal to BC, or we can say V equal to BC. How? BC means BD plus DC. DC is equal to the OA, and OA means U BD. Okay. When you calculate the slope, this is a slope, this is acceleration. So acceleration is BD by AD. Okay. AD means T. So BD equal to AT. So BD equal to AT. Here we can substitute this value AT plus U equal to V, or we can write like that U plus AT. Any doubt? Umar, Saji, Savita. Okay. The same equation The same graph. This is the one. O, A, B, C, D, and this is E, and this is velocity, and this is time. Okay. This area, this area, if we, that means if we know this area, that is the total distance traveled. So distance traveled. Okay. So area of OABC. How we can calculate? We can calculate this area plus this area. So we can write like this: area of rectangle OABC, area. Okay, area of triangle ABD. Area of this triangle is U by T, length into breadth of the square, and area of this triangular is half, and this is a triangular T, half into AD into BD. BD we already calculated in the previous one. What is BD? Is AT. AD means T plus half plus UT equal to S. So S equal to UT plus half AT square. Any doubt? Okay, good. Again, we can derive from the third equation the same. This is O, sorry, this is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C, this is D, and this is E. And this is velocity, and this is time, and this is U, and this is T. We know that this is the area. There is another formula we can say as equal to area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Okay. Trapezium is OABC. So this is a trapezium, right? You know the formula of the area of the trapezium is this side plus this side into height divided by 2. OACB into OC divided by 2. OC means OA means U, CB means final velocity, OC means T by 2. Okay. Now, from the first equation, V equal to U plus half AT. Can you calculate the T value? V minus U by A, right? If you put here U minus V2 into V minus U by A, so what is, and this is S. So, you know this plus, okay? What is the formula of A minus B? Is A square minus B square. Same, here you can use B square minus U 2A 2A to S and this 2A there. So 2AS B square minus U square. And if you put like this, U in other side, so U square plus 2AS. Any doubt on this? Area of trapezium, we can calculate the area of trapezium. This is S, and then we substitute the value of T. T is V minus U by A, multiply by this using the formula A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square, and 2AS V minus U. We bring U is this side because of negative, so V square equal to UAS. Any doubt on this? Students, right? Doubt, just let me know. No, no, no. Okay, great. And there is a one more topic that I'll cover in 5 minutes, and then your chapter is finished. And next week, we will do the NCRT questions. Okay, uniform circular motion. See, this is a circle. In this case, if the something is moving with a constant speed, but what happened? Body moves along a circular path, then direction of the motion keeps changes continuously. See, it moves like this, but now it moves like this. Then it moves like this, it moves like this. So this is the change of the direction. In each time, there is a change of direction. Okay, change of the direction, change of the direction, change of the direction, change of the direction, and that is called uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. Okay, This topic I think we already covered. Just I'll give some example. Like a artificial satellite move in a uniform circular motion around the Earth. Artificial satellites moves in uniform circular around the Earth. What are the other examples? The moon moves in a uniform circular motion. Earth moves around the sun is a uniform circular motion. An athlete moving in a circular track with a constant speed. Okay. And again, there is a watch. Watch is also moving with this uniform speed. So this is all example of uniform circular motion. Yes, revolution planet around the sun, right? Merry-go-round. If the speed is constant, okay. So these are the examples, uh, and I'll ask one question. Just if you can see the screen, a cyclist goes around a circular track once every 2 minutes. If a radius of circular track is 105 meter, calculate the speed. Calculate his speed. Okay. So I'm taking speed is distance by time, and in circular path, you know the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r and t, right? R we know that 105 meter, that is given in the question. Radius is 105 meter. So 2 into pi is also, we can take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 or sometimes 3.14. Both are same. Okay. And 105, 7, 1 and 5. Sorry, sorry, 7, no, not 7. Yeah, 7. So this is the distance. And time is 22 into 15 and 2 minutes. 2 minutes is 16 into 2, 120 seconds. So 120 seconds. 15, how much? 8, 4, 2, 2, 11. So 11 by 2, and that is 5.5 meter per second. Any doubt on this? Both are same. 22 by 7 and 3.14 is the same value. So sometimes for easy calculation, we are taking 22.7 here. If you calculate by 3.14, that is also the answer will be the same. No. Okay. Based on that, your this chapter is over, and you can do the NCRT questions. NCRT solution is available. I will tell you. if you can go with the mywayteaching.com, go to the science class 9, and this chapter name is motion. If you go the motion, and here is the NCERT solution. Okay. Yeah. Go with this NCERT solution. Next time, whatever your problems in this, I'll try to solve your problem. And then Saturday, you have a test on these chapters. So go through it, this chapter, and try to solve all the questions. Whatever your doubts on the NCERT solution, you can ask me. And Saturday is your test. And this is a 1 hour test on the motion. Any doubt on this? So you have the NCERT solution already. I explained all the chapter, full chapters. You can read the book and try to solve the NCERT question. If you have doubt, we will solve the next Friday. And Saturday is your test. Okay. Thank you.